Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Vipul and you are watching Digital Vipul. In this video, we will talk about how to create a Gmail account step by step. So Gmail account or Google account you required for various purposes like for filling out various kind of forms, for doing shopping online, for subscribing to certain newsletters, or for signing up on various kind of websites. Okay, so if you want to know how to create a Gmail account, follow this simple step by step process and you will have a Gmail account within 5 minutes. So let's jump onto my screen and see how you can get one. So we have to go to the Chrome browser and we have to type www.gmail.com. After that, you will be directed to the screen. You have to click on create an account. Okay, so there you will be asked for the first name and the last name, so you can put that. And then comes the username. This will be your email ID basically. So I want to gmail.com. Then you have to enter the password. And make sure your password contain more than 8 letters and it is a mixture of letter, numbers and symbol. Okay, then you click on next button and you can see that username is already taken. So basically Gmail account is unique, so if somebody else has taken that Gmail ID you will not be able to get that. So you have to make a little bit of changes and let's see if that is available. Okay, so we make it digitalvipul927@gmail.com and we click on next. Here we go. So that's available. So that is an option of your phone number. If you want, you can put it over there or you can leave it blank. You can fill it later on. You can put your recovery email ID. Then you have to put your date of birth. So I will put mine. And then you have to fill your date of birth and then you have to fill your gender. Okay, then you have to click on next and then you have to read all the policies and you have to click on I agree. So our account has been created. Okay, and you got your first email from Google that your account has been created. So when you click over here you can see digitalvipul927@gmail.com. Okay, so in this way you create your Gmail account. So I have shown you step-by-step process of creating a Gmail account. This is very simple process, but in case you are having any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you, and please share it with maximum number of people and do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you get all the notification if I release my next video. So guys, thank you so much and bye bye.